Hello CA final and CA inter students who have written examinations in September 2025. I know you are all very much eagerly waiting for results of September 2025 examination. Many speculations are coming, many central council members are tweeting, but in my opinion also, amid speculations, the results are expected by end of October month or in first 2-3 days of November month. So another 20 days, somewhere 18 to 20, 22 days time is left for results. But my sincere request is, I see lot of CA students who are enjoying, chilling, roaming in the streets till the time of results. But my sincere request, if you have written both groups in September 2025 examinations, and if you are feeling doubtful, if you have even small doubt also, please start your preparation straight away now onwards. The thing is, like, if results come on November 2nd or November 3rd, hardly you are left with 40 days to prepare for January 2026 examinations. So right strategy is you start preparation from right now. 20 days extra time is there. On November 2nd, okay, or on the results day, if you clear, this preparation is useful for your interviews. If you do not clear, obviously 20 days you have done your preparation and you will continue the same rhythm, and chances are very high for you to clear January 2026 examinations. Okay, so if you have written only single group, then you have to start preparing for second group, another group for January 2026 examinations. Please, I sincerely request you, from tomorrow onwards, if possible from now onwards, start your preparation. Okay, because ultimately we are responsible for our success. We are answerable to our result. Okay, so please start your preparation. Like, our success matters to us. So from tomorrow onwards, if possible, right now, the moment you watch this video, start your preparation. Like, if you clear, happy, well and good. But if you do not clear, whatever the preparation that you will do for next 20 days, that will definitely help you in clearing January 26 examinations. It's like an early edge. Okay, you have started your strategy very early. Okay, so that's what. Thank you. Bye.